Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. Radiant Skin with Baking Soda and Coconut Oil Facial Wash. Today we are going to share a recipe for a natural remedy that cleanses the pores, removes acne and blackheads, diminish wrinkles and tighten sagging facial skin. You only need 2 ingredients, baking soda and coconut oil. Baking soda is an amphoteric compound, because it has the ability to maintain normal pH levels of your skin and prevent acne. On the other hand, coconut oil has strong moisturizing, healing and antibacterial properties. It is a well-known natural ingredient for preserving and promoting skin health. Combine these 2 ingredients to create a miracle cleanser that will instantly nourish skin cells, eliminate dead cells, moisturize skin and keep it smooth and radiant. You'll be surprised to see your fine lines disappear as well. With regular and consistent use, be ready to look 10 years younger. This is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Instructions: put the ingredients in a small bowl and mix them well until you get a paste. How to use: apply the paste on the skin and rub the area slowly. Leave it to act for about 5 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and while you are rinsing, massage the area. You won't need to use a moisturizing cream when you are done, because coconut oil has the ability to hydrate skin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more beauty tips, subscribe to our channel.